LG and let me show you how to add profile photo to a contact on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer, then go to the contacts, and now select the contact that you would like to change profile picture in. So it can be, for example, Tim. Actually we have some photo here, so we can remove it. So at first click on the edit icon, which is the pen one, then click on the photo, and now click on remove. And now it's time to add some photos, so tap on plus and now select from the gallery, or obviously you can take a photo right now, but I will pick some photo from the gallery. Let's go to recent, so you can pick this one, and now simply personalize it and make it a bit bigger. Here it is, and then tap on OK. Wait a couple of seconds and then click on save. And that's it. As you can see, now Tim will have new profile picture. Here it is, so you will be able to see it once Tim will be calling you. And that's basically all. This is how you can add profile picture to a contact in your LG G3. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.